Welcome back to Angie and Cleaning and Life Hacks. What does a jar have to do with a sponge, a dirty sponge by the way, a rubber glove, and a rubber band? Oh, and one more thing. How about a hair dryer and pickles? Of all these items, I would have to say, oddly enough, the rubber glove is my favorite. Can you guess what I'm talking about here? Oh, and the reason I love the rubber glove is because, well, it really works. This next option though, just some hot water, works really well because most people have access to hot water. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna turn this on, get it nice and toasty, and then run it over the center of the lid for as long as possible. Just kidding, maybe like 15-20 seconds. This works particularly well with those canning jars with the lids that are hard to get up. You could use all of these things. You got grip. You probably have one of these things laying around just wrapped around the side. Now you can get a good grip around that jar. This one, not my favorite. A lot of people have tried this. Or you can get barbaric and animalistic. Use this side right here and just wake up all your neighbors and roommates. But as simple as heating the jar with hot water will help the metal to expand, thus loosening the grip on your jars. All of these tips right here should help you open a stuck jar, but I would try the water first because it's easily accessible. And then you can go ahead and get a rubber glove if you have that. And then last but not least, that thing probably works well. This works well too, but you gotta take some time to put the rubber band around. And like this thing, I don't know. Let me know in the comments box below. Have you tried this when it comes to opening a jar? Speaking of hot water, if you wanna know a little lid trick right here, click the video on screen now. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.